How to delete battery usage history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your battery usage history in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on battery. Now here you will see a detailed report of your battery usage history. And now to delete it, simply tap the back button in the top left corner and go to the main settings menu. From here, simply tap on the option label as general, and once you're inside the general, simply scroll all the way down and select transfer and reset iPhone. And after that, simply tap on erase all content and settings, and this option will erase all your data including your battery usage history, photos, apps and other personal data. And that's it. That's how you can delete battery usage history on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.